welcome to this next video in this Build Your Business in 2022 series. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about what is it that you're selling. So many of people that I come across don't actually really know what it is that they're selling. They have an idea of what they want to sell, but they don't actually know what it is. So in this video, we're just going to go through some of the ideas about what you could sell and how you can actually deliver that for your clients in 2022. So my name's Anita Wong and I'm a digital overwhelm strategist, live streamer and visibility coach, and I help you to reduce the overwhelm when it comes to building your business online. So let's have a little look at what are you selling. How do you know how to work out what it is that you're selling? Well, the first thing is, how do you want to deliver the product? So for example, I'm a digital overwhelm strategist. So I deliver my products or services as a one-to-one offer and a one-to-many offer. Now, one-to-one means that I work with my clients one-to-one, whether that be over Zoom or in person. And usually what happens is that I price that at a rate that would cover the one-to-one work that I do with the client, plus the work that I do before and after I have seen my client. Now, you need to decide whether you are going to meet that one-to-one client once a month, twice a month, or once a week. It's entirely up to you and your plan of action on how you're going to help your clients solve their problems and move forward with a solution. So one-to-one clients are a really good way of you spending time and nurturing your relationship with that client. However, there are only so many hours in a week and so many hours in a day. So you need to work out whether you want to actually scale your business with one-to-one clients, or you would prefer to scale your business in 2022 with one-to-many clients. So what does one-to-many clients mean? Well, one-to-many means that you serve many of your clients in a group setting. So one-to-many could mean that you open up a membership perhaps, or maybe you run a short course or a mastermind where you have maybe 10 people on the course or mastermind, and you work spending an hour talking to those 10 people on your mastermind once or twice a month. And then you set them homework and roles to actually fulfill to reach the solution to their issues or their hurdles that they've been facing in their business or their life. One-to-many is a very good scalable option as you grow your business, especially as we move into 2022, and we are still very dependent on the digital arena to serve our clients. One-to-many is something that I am going to be experimenting with in the future, and it is something that I already do alongside my one-to-one clients. Now, I've just spoken to you about working with one-to-one clients and also working with one-to-many clients. Now, I'm also looking at one-to-many plus, which basically is a one-to-many option, but with a one-to-one area within it. Now, what this means is that you can have one-to-many, so you could be you on a call, giving value to as many clients as you think you can handle in that one space. However, what you could do is you could do that call, but also have a one-to-one option within that one-to-many option that will give you some extra attention that you could give to perhaps those clients who really want to work with you a little bit more. Now, we've just discussed the one-to-one clients, one-to-many, and the one-to-many plus. Now, how do you actually deliver what you're offering? So you've worked out what you're going to be selling, but how do you actually deliver it to your clients in a digital world as we move into 2022? Well, there are lots and lots of resources online where you can actually host a conference style meeting. For instance, you could use Zoom or you could use Microsoft Teams. There are lots of other different conference pieces of software out there that you could use. But what happens if perhaps you wanted to do one-to-many, but you wanted to do a evergreen style one-to-many and a one-to-one, one-to-many? Well, there are certain platforms out there that you could use. The one that I would suggest at the moment is Thinkific. So what Thinkific is a course platform which you can put in pre-recorded courses that members could buy and work through completely on their own. Or you could put pre-recorded courses in there where you could work with them as they work through the modules. This is something that I like doing because part of my digital overwhelm strategy is to reduce the overwhelm that one gets from using the online tools. So most of you may experience some tech overload whilst you're trying to work out how to do this. And that's the sort of thing that I help you overcome. So I wanted to just bring you this brief video today to think about what it is that you want to sell as you move into 2022 as a service provider. Now, as a service provider, selling is a little bit harder online because you don't have a physical deliverable product to send to somebody. You have a service which usually requires you to be there with them or you to actually do the work in the background. So have a little think about how you would like to deliver your services to your clients next year in 2022. And let me know underneath this video how you think you might like to deliver your services to your clients as you move into 2022. I'd really like to know whether you would choose a one-to-one system or a one-to-many system. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget also that if you've liked this video to give me the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel because the whole way through this month, this series is going to continue and I'm going to be giving you short little tips on how to grow your business as we move into 2022. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.